Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to create a home screen folders on this device. For example, for the first, just select the application and hold for a while and drag it to another application by this way. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder. Also, if you wanna add one more application to this folder, repeat the action, just press for a while and drag it here to your new folder. If we'll open the folder, we can here edit the name of this folder. We can give a name, for example, like the apps. We can also move this folder here on our screen. Also, we can move it between the screens by this way. Just hold for a while and drag with your finger to the position, to the section where you wanna just move your application. And also, if you wanna just remove the application from this folder, drag, press for a while and drag it, for example, here. And by the same way, we can also just ungroup the folder application from these folders. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.